Robotized selective soldering station is integrated with a Doosan collaborative robot together with a Siemens PLC, which manages the process using an industrial JBC soldering system. The station has 2 working positions structured drawers, enabling continuous operation without downtime. Thanks to the high precision of the cobot, each solder joint is performed at the exact same position and under identical conditions, ensuring stable quality and increased production efficiency. The HM245 soldering iron provides stable temperature, automatic wire feeding, automatic cleaning, and high quality of every solder joint. The thermocouple and heater are integrated directly into the tip, which ensures extremely stable temperature control. In addition, the system features a very fast response time and a very short time needed for the soldering iron to reach the set temperature. Robotic soldering, speed, precision, and reliability in automated selective soldering. Everything you need in a single production system.